Okay, in this 5-minute video series, we'll see different types of error messages that can be seen at a Wireshark level, right? So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and disrupt this OSPF session. We do know that between two OSPF neighbors, right, you need to have same timers and you need to have same MTU. Otherwise there will be some problems. You can also go ahead with authentication, different area numbers, stub flag, which I'll cover tomorrow, the other details, right? So what I'll do here is I'll sort of disrupt this particular session, right? So I already have OSPF on this particular device, right? And if I try to export this, so the state is full and it's a bidirectional OSPF neighbor relationship. So these are the interfaces, and I see that the particular hello and dead interval is 10 and 40, right? So what I'll do now is I'll say set protocols OSPF, area is 0, interface is GE009, and say hello interval is 40, dead interval is 160. So before doing that, what I would like to do is let's start a packet capture on the other end, right? So let's do a capture. So this is the capture. We'll do a capture on GE009. Filter for OSPF, and we'll say commit. So I did commit the session now, and if you see the hello packet detail here, right, so it still says okay, I'm broadcasting it for 40, but I no longer receive any .1 hellos, right? And if I go ahead and see this, it is still advertising the neighbor, right? But it takes some time to time out, right? So now the new hello message, if I try to dissect it, right, so it says my hello interval is 40 and the dead interval is 160. Will you go ahead and form neighbor relationship with me? They will never be able to agree because there are different set of timers here, and if you see the log messages, let's say last 10, you would see that the OSPF would have probably gone down. Let's see. So run show OSPF neighbor, it's still there. Let's wait 40 seconds. I can try to hard clear it. I don't want to do it. I'll just let it expire for 40 seconds. And the OSPF neighbor relationship went away, right? So it would still continue to send the same hello messages with the same hello timers, but it would never try to establish back. So what we'll do is we will try to roll it back, and we should immediately see the updates and everything flowing through very seamlessly, right? Now the other aspect was having an incorrect MTU, right? So that let's see if it tries to time out, right? It is nothing obvious within the hello packet or anything yet, right? Now We will try to hard clear this neighbor now. So we did clear it. So there was an ls update. It's an LSA type 1, and it's trying to send few metrics here and there. And if I try to look for it, it is stuck in the exchange state. So these are the two common and famous ones that we generally see. It tries to send out the same update messages every now and then, but the exchange would never ever complete. The other router will technically be or should be in X start. Yeah, so as you can see, it is an X start, it is an exchange, and this process would never be completed. So let's roll it back, and we should be able to see all the updates now. So acknowledgement is done and it should settle now. There are ways to disable this, like on Cisco you can say OSPF MTU ignore. If not, do it on this particular device. And in the next we'll cover the other aspects which can break the OSPF hello relationships. Thank you so much.